Okay, let's learn how to scale a drawing in AutoCAD without changing its dimensions. So first, enter Scale command. Select the object. Enter. Specify the base point for scaling. Then enter the scale factor. For example, if you want to double the size of the object, enter 2. Now notice that while the object has scaled, the dimensions have changed too. So to bring back the dimension to its original parameters, click on Annotation. And go to Dimension Style. Here, you'll have to create one more dimension style. Click on New. Then give the dimension style name. To Scale. Then Continue. Then click on Primary Units tab. And change the scale factor. Now, to work out the scale factor, divide 1 by whatever scale you've used during scaling the object. In our case, that is 2. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So here I'll enter the scale factor as 0.5. Then click OK. Close. Now select the dimensions. Then go to Annotation and change its dimension style to Scale. As a result, you've increased the drawing scale while the dimension remains the same. Similarly, if you want to reduce the drawing scale without changing the dimensions, follow the same process. Enter Scale command. Select the object. Enter. Specify the base point. Then give the scale factor. I'll enter 0.5. Now again, I want to bring back the original dimensions. For that, again click on Annotation. Go to Dimension Style. Create one more dimension style for 0.5 scale. Click on New. Give the dimension style name as 0.5 scale. Then Continue. Then click on Primary Units tab. And change the scale factor. 1 divided by 0.5 will be 2. So here I'll enter the scale factor as 2. Then click OK. Close. Now select the dimensions. And change its dimension style to 0.5 scale. By following these simple steps, you can scale an object easily without changing its dimensions. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.